Hello there, this is FairBinaryOptions.com. We are looking at the US dollar Canadian dollar 4-hour chart here, but we'll zoom in also on the lower time frames on the 1-hour chart, because the reason for that is we are having a double three running. A double three running is a powerful pattern that is forming on the 1-hour chart, and you're just about to see. Until then, what I would like to show you on this 4-hour chart is that we have a classical double zigzag, most likely with A, B, C here, going with almost the same length for wave A. So this to be wave A to the upside, something like this. Let me change the color for it. And if you clone the move and put it by the time this irregular flat of a lower degree is broken to the upside, they are almost the same. So this would be from my point of view the first, let's say, zigzag to the downside with an irregular flat for the B wave there. And let's mark it, this one. Let's take a shape and mark this one, because this is the one that normally started the move higher. Now, after the move here as an intervening X-ray, if I may say so, we have another powerful or strong move to the upside. And normally, if you take a line, let me clone this one so that we have the same color. So this leg to the upside that started most likely here and ended around this current level here is again looking almost the same like the previous move, only that it is a bit longer, but it is followed also by an irregular flat, as you can see here, A, B, C. So the same irregular flat, and it means that by the time this pattern is going to break to the upside, and we think it already broke to the upside, normally if you apply this like this to the move to the upside, that would be your target. And the target, if you take a vertical line, a target would be 106.30. Now, we are not going to stay long on the long side until 106.30 or something like that. We are trading binary options here, but when you trade binary options and you are looking for price to move higher, you are buying calls. So we will buy calls here with end of week expiration date. This is Thursday, the 21st of November. But we will buy calls with end of week expiration date, and basically this should be Friday, tomorrow, by the time the New York closes. Any broker that offers binary options should offer you this possibility. If you go, so basically the second zigzag, let me show you. The second zigzag starts here and should continue with the move to the upside like this until the targeted move or something like this, 105.80 will come. If you go and zoom in now on the 1-hour chart, now this pattern here that starts from the low resembles a double three running. It is being called a double three running. It is being formed out of 3 different corrections. So it starts here, 3 different corrections, and 2 of them are going against the prior trend, and 1 is going with the prior trend. So this should be labeled 1 and 2, and the third wave to the upside. Normally, this is a pattern that precedes a powerful impulsive move. There is almost always a third wave extension, and based on that, we are looking for prices not necessarily to explode higher, but to go higher. So 1 and the 2. And the structure in the middle to be called the double three running, as you can see here, A, B, C. This is the double three running. Let me take yet another shape and trying to identify it. This is the double three running. Normally, if you take a Fibonacci expansion from this moment of time and you apply it from the lows to the high and like this, price should go minimum 161.8, but most likely in most of the cases is even 261.8 is coming. So all in all, higher values than the current values are expected. Price should go way above the 105 level. Thank you very much for being here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com, and all these analyses are available due to the generous help of our sponsor, Lioneye.